In this video, let us see how to extract text from an image using the Gemini API. Here on the right hand side, you can see that we have an image that contains some mathematical equations. You can see that we have f of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3. So this is the image that we extract the text from. Left hand side, you can see that we successfully extracted the text. You can see that we also have this output same as the image. So let us see how to perform this text extraction operation using the Gemini API. Let's get started. So this is the image. First let me copy and paste this image in a folder. I'm gonna open that folder in the VS Code. I have opened the folder here. You can see that we have the image, and first we need to install one Python package. Pip install Google Generative AI. This is the Python package that we need to interact with the Gemini API. Just type pip install Google Generative AI and press enter. Here you can see it says requirement already satisfied. That means we are good to go. Once you install the library, we can close this. I'm gonna create a new Python file now. It will be photoextract.py. This is the Python file that we're gonna work on. Let's import the library that we have installed now. We're gonna import the Google.generative AI as Gen AI. Then we need the Gemini API. So we need the API key to interact with the Gemini. To get that, just open any browser and type ai.google.dev. Just head over to this website. The dashboard will look similar to this. Click on Get API Key in Google AI Studio. Here if you scroll on, you can see an option called Create API Key. Click on that. Once you click on that, it will ask us to select the Google Cloud project. I have already created a key, so let me delete that key and show you how to create a key newly. Let me delete this existing key now and click on this Create API Key now. Click on Create API Key in this existing project. It will generate the API key for us. So let me copy this. Don't reveal this key to anyone, otherwise your Gemini account will be compromised. So I will delete this key after this video. So let me copy and paste that key here. So this is our API key. Once we have the API, we can configure our API key now. GenAI.configure API key. This will be our API. Once we define the API key, now we can move on. Let's define a function to upload the image now. We're gonna create a upload file. This will take two parameters. The first one is the image path and the second one is the type of the file that we're gonna get. By default, we're gonna set MIME type equal to none. File equal to, we're gonna upload file. GenAI.upload file, we're gonna upload the file. This will take two parameters. The first one is the path, and the second one is the type of the file that we are uploading. MIME type equal to MIME type. And finally, let's display a message uploaded file. This will be file.display name, and we also display the file URL file.uri. And once we upload the file, we will return the file now. So we will call this upload file function and get the file. Next, we need to get some configurations. To get that, just head over to the Gemini dashboard and click on create new prompt, and here click on this get code. Here you can see we have this generation config. Just copy that and go to the Visual Studio Code and paste it here. So this is the default configuration that we need. Here you can see it says maximum output tokens and the response type. Our response type will be of text and plain. So this is we need, and once we need, we will also need the model. So just head over to the Gemini dashboard again. Let's also copy this. Let me copy this and paste it here. Here you can see the model we are using is the Gemini 1.5 Flash. So once we define this configuration on the model, we can get the response. Response equal to GenAI.model.generate content. Here, before we generate the response, we need to upload the files. For that, files equal to, we're gonna create a list now, and here above the response, we're gonna create a list now. Files equal to, we're gonna call this function upload file. So call that function upload file, and we're gonna upload the image. Here you can see both my Python file and the image are located in the same place. Here you can see this is our image, and the name of the image is the image.png. We're gonna upload this image, and the type of this is the image/png. So this is it. Once we upload the file, we can pass this to the generate content function method. So this will be, we're gonna select the 0th index, and once we pass the file, we can provide a template now, extract the text from this image. So this is our prompt here. if you want to pass more than one prompt, you can do that by separating it by using the comma. So if you want, so let me pass another here, image, extract the text from the image. So this is it, this is our prompt and we have uploaded the files. So if you want to get print the response to the screen, we're gonna print response to the text. This will return as the text. So let me clear the screen and run the file now. So this will take some time, just give you a few minutes. Once the file is uploaded, we will get a message like file uploaded at the URL. Here you can see uploaded our file. So this is it. Here you can see we successfully extracted the text from the image. This is our image and you can see that both the text and the image are accurate. Here you can see f of x equal to x cube minus 3x plus 3. This is what we have in the image and this is what we get as a output. So this is it. It extracted the text properly without any mistake. So let us try to upload one more image and find if we can able to extract the text properly. Here you can see we have a image now. This contains some series of antonyms. Let's try to upload this file and based on the meanings we can able to provide marks for it. Here you can see we have these 10 antonyms. If the answer are correct, we're gonna ask the Gemini to give you a mark for this. So this is our task now. So let me rename this image now. The name of this image, so I have a copy and paste this image in this current folder. So let me change this name to the latest one. So this is our image name. So let me change the prompt. Evaluate the antonyms and give mark if the answer is correct. This is our task to see if Gemini can handle this, if the answer was right. So if it is right, give 1 mark for each question. So let's save this file and click on this run icon. Here you can see now the file has been uploaded successfully. Here you can see it successfully detects the text and also gives the marks. Here you can see cautions, the antonym is the careless, disapprove, approve. All the antonyms are correct. That's why it gives all the questions to 1 mark. So let's try to get the total marks out of the total questions. Also return total mark out of the total questions. So this is our latest prompt. So let's save this and run it file. Now the file has been uploaded. So this is it. Here you can see we get the total marks 10 out of 10 because we have the 10 questions and we have corrected all the 10 questions. So this is it. This is how you extract text from an image using the Gemini API. This is for this video and I will continue in the next one.